Your kidneys don't rest when you sleep. In fact, while your body slows down, your kidneys shift into repair mode. Every night, they quietly filter toxins, balance fluids, and repair microscopic damage you don't even feel. But here's the shocking truth. One common night habit can silently block this repair process, and most people have no idea it's happening. Stay with us, because what you learn today could protect your kidneys years before serious damage appears. What if the biggest harm to your kidneys doesn't come from sugar, or salt, or even alcohol? What if it's something you eat right before bed, thinking it's harmless? And what if one simple nighttime routine could support kidney detox while you sleep? The most powerful step is coming later in this video. Don't miss it. Near the end, we'll reveal a hidden bonus habit that most people ignore. But nephrology research shows it dramatically improves overnight kidney efficiency. Miss that part, and you miss the most important protection. Welcome to CareConnect Studio, your trusted space for science-based health education. Explained simply, clearly, and honestly. Let's begin. Your kidneys filter nearly 180 liters of blood every day. But at night, something special happens. When you sleep, blood pressure naturally drops. Stress hormones decrease. Cellular repair increases. This allows kidney cells to repair microscopic damage, improve oxygen utilization, restore filtration membranes. However, this only works if your body is not overloaded with the wrong nutrients at night. Why what you eat before bed directly affects kidney repair. Late-night food doesn't just affect digestion, it affects renal workload. Heavy, salty, sugary, or processed foods increase fluid retention, spike insulin and blood pressure, force kidneys to work instead of repair. Think of it like this. You're asking a repair crew to fix a building, while a storm is still raging inside. Common night foods that block kidney cleansing. Avoid these before sleep. Processed snacks, salty chips, sugary desserts, late-night fast food, excess dairy, artificial sweeteners. These increase inflammation and slow down overnight detox. Now let's talk about what helps instead. Dry fruit number 1. Prunes, the nighttime kidney cleaner. Prunes are often misunderstood. Yes, they help digestion, but that's not the main benefit here. Prunes are rich in potassium balanced amount, sorbitol natural cleansing agent, polyphenols anti-inflammatory compounds. At night, prunes reduce toxin buildup, improve bowel-kidney coordination, reduce strain on renal filtration. How to use: 2 to 3 prunes, soaked in water for 2 hours. Consume 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. Dry fruit number 2. Raisins, oxygen booster for kidney cells. Raisins are tiny, but powerful. They contain natural iron, polyphenols, mild nitric oxide boosting compounds. These help improve oxygen delivery to kidney tissue, which is critical for overnight repair. Better oxygen equals better healing. How to use: a small handful 101 to raisins, soaked and drained. Avoid sugar-coated or artificially dried varieties. Dry fruit number 3. Unsweetened dried cranberries, infection shield. Kidney and urinary infections often begin silently. Unsweetened dried cranberries prevent bacteria from sticking to urinary walls. reduce low-grade inflammation, support overnight urinary tract cleansing. Important note: only unsweetened varieties. Sweetened cranberries can harm kidney balance. How to use: 1 tablespoon mixed with other dry fruits. Dry fruit number 4. Walnuts, overnight kidney repair support. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, antioxidants. These nutrients reduce inflammation and support cell membrane repair, crucial during sleep. Walnuts also support blood vessel flexibility, improving kidney perfusion at night. You might think this is enough, but the most powerful step isn't a food. It's a timing habit, and it's coming next. How to combine these dry fruits safely at night. The best method is simple. 2 prunes, 10 raisins, 1 tablespoon unsweetened dried cranberries, 2 walnut halves. Soak overnight or for at least 2 hours. Consume 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime, not immediately after dinner. Drink small sips of water only, not large amounts. What not to eat with these dry fruits before sleep? Never combine this routine with sugary drinks, milk or heavy dairy, late-night protein shakes, salty snacks. These cancel the kidney repair benefits. Signs your kidneys are detoxing properly while you sleep. Positive signs include reduced morning puffiness, lighter urine color, improved morning energy, less nighttime urination, reduced lower back heaviness. These are early functional improvements, not miracles, and that's a good thing. How long it takes to notice real results. Most people notice light improvements in 5 to 7 days, clear changes in 2 to 3 weeks, measurable benefits in lab values after consistent habits. Remember, kidneys heal slowly but steadily. Do not start without professional advice if you have advanced kidney disease, are on potassium-restricted diets, have severe diabetes, are on dialysis, have fluid restrictions. Always respect your medical plan. This video is for educational purposes only. It does not replace medical diagnosis or treatment. Always consult your healthcare provider before making dietary changes. Final recap: your night routine for kidney health. To support kidney repair at night, eat light dinners, avoid salty and sugary snacks. Use the dry fruit combination wisely. Maintain hydration balance. Respect sleep timing. Small habits, repeated daily, protect kidneys long term. Kidney damage doesn't scream. It whispers, quietly, for years. Protect your kidneys before damage becomes permanent. If this helped you, like the video, comment kidney, share with someone you care about. Subscribe to CareConnect Studio.